from the downtown Motel 6 of Ogden, Utah to this massive parking lot in Rufus, Oregon. It's crazy, it's surreal, this life that I'm living right now. I don't know how anything goes up from here. I mean, this is as good as it gets. Especially when you consider that last night that it was so windy the entire night, I couldn't even sleep in my tent because it was just too loud and it was flapping around everywhere. So I slept in the back of my car here, and I was reminded that there's no more spacious place to sleep in pretty much all of this planet than a Toyota Corolla Sports Edition. Toyota Corolla SE. It was, man, last night was special. Today is day 6 of my trip. Yesterday I only did a little bit of filming. It was a driving day. I had to drive about 9 hours from Ogden, Utah to where I stayed here in Rufus, Oregon. And I basically I got some drone shots along the way. I also stopped at some falls in Idaho that I had no idea existed until I just happened to be driving past. I think they're called the Shoshone Falls, and I got some really cool shots of that. I think it was really beautiful. It was really cool. It was a massive, massive waterfall. And now I'm going to continue westward along the Columbia River here in Oregon, and I am going to check out some more waterfalls this morning before I eventually make it to Portland, where I'm meeting up with some old Acuity coworkers, and they're allowing me to stay with them for a couple nights, which is, it's kind of a shame actually, because I could really go for another night in the back of my Toyota Corolla SE. After a beautiful drive along the Columbia River this morning, I have finally arrived at my first Oregon hike, which is the Wahkeena and Multnomah Falls Loop Trail, which is supposed to be one of the best in the state. So let's go.